Hi everyone, I am Madina Merkulova as an instructor of language teaching of assessment. In today's lesson, I will explain modifications of activities. When it comes to content page outline of this presentation, firstly, I will explain activity description and theoretical part of this activity summary description, and also I give reference part and sites for this presentation. For the first activity, I took one activity named Picture It. Source was Natalie Hess. Aim for learning names, fluency practice, creating supportive environment. It's appropriate for intermediate and advanced learners. Time was given approximately 15 and 20 minutes. So in modified version, I changed it to describe yourself. Time was 20 minutes. Objectives was work in a group cooperatively and collaboratively. Age, it should be for 15 and 16 age of learners. Level for intermediate learners, and also it's appropriate for general English and integrated skills. When it comes to procedure, students are divided into 3 groups, A, B, and C groups. They should write one adjective in the first letter of their names. It should be appropriate for their personality, character also. For example, my name is Madina, I'm mindful. Then one leader of the group should describe his or her group member to other group participants. After finishing, the last group of the leader tries to tell the teacher all students' names with adjective. So, in theoretical part of this activity helps students to boost learners' speaking, listening skills, and vocabulary expansion as well. Students will be able to work in a group cooperatively and collaboratively while doing activities together. We can utilize it in the middle school for EFL learners and education centers also. And the next activity was named Flip for Books. I didn't change the name of the books in modification version also. Source the same as the first activity. So in real activity, it aims to organize material, speaking, writing, and reviewing. Level for all level learners, time was fluid. So I changed several tips. For example, time was 30 and 20 minutes. Objectives: students will be able to organize materials, boost creative skills while drawing. Educational setting: high school and educational centers, so it's appropriate for educational centers. It should be appropriate between 15 and 25 age of learners. Level for upper intermediate. Procedure of this activity: students firstly are divided into 3 groups like ABC groups and given scissors and colored pencils by teacher. The teacher distributes a reading passage and a piece of construction paper. Students split their papers into 2 pieces. After reading the passage, on the top of the page, the learner should reflect on their feelings about the passage by drawing At the bottom, they should write a brief summary. So in this stage, students can improve their writing skills while writing summary, and also creative thinking skills while drawing something. Then learners should describe their booklets to others. Students present their thoughts from flip-flop booklets to other group members. Each group provides oral feedback on the work on the other groups. Rationale of this activity is modified to improve reading, writing, and speaking skills. Students will be able to design materials, giving evaluation, giving feedback to other work. We can encounter communicative language teaching, it means CLT method, while interacting students each other. So today's lesson is over. If you have questions, you are welcome. These kind of activities, modified activities, can improve students' four major skills: reading, speaking, listening, and writing skills. Goodbye.